Hello, I'm Jasmine. Welcome to the ColorwayXpress Training. ColorwayXpress is a software which you can colorize your conventional and digital designs with advanced features tailored for the textile industry. In this video series, I will teach you how to use ColorwayXpress. Here are the main features you will learn: RGB design and conventional design colorization, archive system, colorway transfer, design repair, conventional print simulation, CAD presentations, screen fabric color match, color catalogs, automatic colorways, and AI features. This is the ColorwayXpress user interface. The designs appear in the middle of the page. The colorways appear on the left side. At the top left, there is a menu bar. On the right, you can see the colorway history, color catalogs, properties, and the layers and channels window. Let me continue with the archive. The archive system keeps your designs organized. The filters in the archive system give you quick and easy access to your designs. Search for the designs by their design number, categories, and customers. You can access the engraved and non-engraved designs by filtering by screen status. Designs can also be filtered by their screen count. You might have hidden the designs to the countries, and you can view these hidden designs in your archive using the confined status field. You might have taken the designs from a studio. The studio fields provide you to search for the designs by their studio name. Designs can also be searched by their original number. If you have added notes to your designs, you can find these designs by entering their notes. And you can search for designs by their last editor, last importer, or date range as well. All these filters are added as design information from the Design Properties window that I will explain on the menu bar. View and select the archive types here and clear your filters by clicking here or pressing F5. Remember, Search feature provides you to continue from your last search when you close and reopen the archive. When the Show Details is enabled, you can view the design details by hovering over on the design preview. The designs can also be moved to Desired Archive, renumbered and deleted by clicking the three dots at the top right corner of the design preview. Similar Design Search is our AI-powered feature. You can search for a design in your archive which is similar to the one on your computer. Choose a file and draw a square on the area where you want to find the similar designs. Then the similar designs in your archive will appear in the screen. Additionally, you can use the designs in your archive to search similar designs by clicking these three dots and selecting Find Similar Designs as well. The results can be sorted by their modified date, import date, design number, colorway count, and file name as descending or ascending. You can change the layout of the design preview. The pages can be changed, and the page number can also be entered at the bottom. Here's a quick tip. You can choose more than one design at the same time by holding down Control key, then double-clicking on the selected designs to open them. Let's move on to the menu bar.